As you saw, I had trouble when I squeezed the trigger to have media coming there. This is the solution for the problem. So what we're going to do here, this is going to be attached on the bottom of the sandblaster, and the media is going to fall in here, and here is going to be the pickup tube. So this is going to suck from here and pull all this way. I couldn't find a valve because of COVID and lack of material, so I bought this one that caps it, because everybody that was using don't need to actually open any hole, but if I need to, I'm gonna drill a small hole in here and keep increasing it, and this should resolve our second issue. So we are going to take this bottom part here. So as you know, this is how it works. You put media all over there, and this is the ugly pickup tube, right? And you have that pickup tube grabbing stuff from the bottom, but it's not very efficient. This here, on the other hand, is going to help us a lot. Every bit that is in there is going to go down on our part and then back up into here. So just one nut, and this is out. To find the center of the part, we're just going to get a little bit of tape, pen, or do whatever you want. This is faster for me, and I don't need to worry about a pen that's gonna work in here. So this is my center right there, and I know this is right in here. And we're gonna use a 1.5, this is tungsten, hole saw. So this is the part we're going to install. In the end, it is going to be like this, okay? So we're going to remove this here, and this goes like that. There's a little piece of rubber here which I don't want to lose because it's going to make it tighter. So I'm going to do like this. There you go. So we're going to put one of those big washers and put it in there. Look at that. Nice. So I'm going to put all of this, I'm going to put tape, 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 and assemble everything the same way. This is going to turn my Harbor Freight Sandblaster into a super machine. The Harbor Freight Sandblaster is awesome, but it needs two mods. This is one, and the bucket to suck the dust is another one. If you don't have that, your vacuum is going to clog, it's not going to work. Trust me, I've tried, it doesn't work. So you need to do my first mod, this is the second mod. Kind of look cool. One more thing, this is where the hose goes. I bought like this on purpose because even though I might need to replace because this might be too soft, it's clear vinyl. This is good for me because I can see the media going up, and it's also a little flexible. So I'm gonna shove this guy in there. There you go. So it's like that. When I need to take the media out, I'm just gonna open this guy and then everything comes off. One more thing, we need to poke a hole on this hose, for this hose up here. So this is gonna be the place I'm gonna choose. It's a 5/8 outside diameter, so I got a Christmas tree bit and made a mark here on a 5/8, and I'm just gonna poke a hole. Couple of things to think about now. I sanded this with a 60 grit so it doesn't cut the holes, right? Ideally you gotta buy a, I think it's called grommet, something like that. Put one in there. So this is the amount I'm gonna go with. You see the gun goes all the way here, so it's pointless for me to go further than that because it doesn't go anyways, and I mean you are already at the end of the part, so I'm gonna go here. It's gonna be good. There you go. For today, we're going to use this part here, which I already sandblasted with a baking soda. It's not baking soda, it's just soda. And yeah, it didn't do a very good job. So, let's heat it up. Let's plug everything in, get started. I got too excited, forgot to turn on the vacuum, so it was coming out. I'm pretty sure it's not very good for you to breathe on that thing. So let's see. I have mask though. This is incredible. Look at this. Not a single sign of those things in here. So yeah, this is perfect. I guess next step is gonna be this guy here. See, I tried here and didn't work. So yeah, gonna sandblast, no, aluminum oxide blast it. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you can see the difference. There was a pickup. Look, it's full of aluminum oxide here. This is the second mod, and I think it's working perfect now. I'm happy, and I hope this helps you somehow. If not, if it's just entertainment, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Love you guys. See you on the next video.